Hello friends, I am Sai Chaitanya. Welcome to Sai Tech Guru. In this video, I'm going to give you a quick clarity about the Realme X50 Pro device, which has got recently launched in the Flipkart. So whether to buy the Realme X50 Pro or you can buy alternative device from the Realme, which is a X2 Pro. So which is available for about 27,999 and 37,999 for the Realme X50 Pro. So which will be the better option if you're looking to buy a high-end mobile phone which has a good performance and this should be worth for the price. So definitely friends, if you're first time watching this channel, subscribe to my channel friends, iTech Guru, and also to check the links in the description also for the playlist of Realme X2 Pro device. So which I have been using the X2 Pro for quite some time, and right now finally I got my all opinion about the Realme X2 Pro after using couple of months. Here in this video I'll be explaining you which device to choose and why to choose. And first main reason to buy the Realme X50 Pro can be having the 5G connectivity in the high-end device. And I can say friends, this is at the time of I am making this video, the Realme X50 Pro is the lowest 5G model available in the high-range mobile phone devices right now. So if you're looking for the future proof, then definitely you can buy the Realme X50 Pro friends. And apart from that, if you consider every aspect area from the processor, you can see 855 plus on the X2 Pro and the Snapdragon 865 on the Realme X50 Pro. So which is not little bit of improvement in terms of the processor, but as a day-to-day normal usage or while playing regular games to high-end games, the Snapdragon 855 Plus will be pretty much sufficient in my opinion. So even for the next couple of years also, the Snapdragon 855 Plus can handle a lot of games and lot of multitasking with the phone X2 Pro device. So overall friends, in terms of the processor also, the Snapdragon 855 Plus will also do your jobs pretty good even for a couple of years as well. And next thing is that in terms of the dimensions, as you can see friends, the Realme X50 Pro has got 12 punch hole display, as you can see friends here, so which looks similar like the Poco X2 from the right side to the left side, as you can see. So which personally I do not like this kind of displays. So even the notch is pretty not good for me. I like the pop-up camera mobile phones which is present in the Redmi K20 Pro and the Realme X and other smartphone brands, but still the little bit of notch is okay, but not the dual pop-up like the Realme X50 or Poco X2 device. It's my personal opinion friends, but it depends on one person to other person, because I got most of the mobile phones which have the pop-up camera, so I got used to the full screen experience. So this is a physical change which has happened in terms of the display, and even the display size also got decreased friends from 6.5 inches to 6.4 inches. So usually the 6.5 inches is pretty much comfortable in hands, and I'm pretty happy with that, because the bottom bezels are very thin when you compare with other smartphones side by side. If you compare, so even if you compare side by side with other smartphones, the Realme X2 Pro bezels look pretty smaller. And in terms of the display friends, the Realme X2 Pro has a little bit of advantage because both the phones are having 90Hz display. So maybe the X50 Pro, if it has a 120Hz display, it can be another advantage for the X50 Pro, but that is not the case. So overall both the phones are having 90Hz refresh rate, and trust me guys, the 90Hz refresh rate and the battery backup is pretty good, because from the moment I bought this mobile phone, I'm using only the 90Hz refresh rate. There's not even battery drain that much happening in the Realme X2 Pro device. So if you are worried about the battery, then definitely friends, there is only difference of 200 mAh, that's it. Apart from that, there is not a major difference. And maybe with the 200 mAh you can get maybe 20 minutes or 30 minutes extra, but maybe 15 minutes depending on the work what you do. But apart from that, there is not difference. Even in terms of the charging speed rate friends, the Realme X50 Pro has a 65 watt super dot charger, but you need to don't fall for the 65 watt super dot charger, because it takes about 35 minutes, as you can see friends clearly, 35 minutes to charge. So whereas the Realme X2 Pro takes around 29 minutes and less than 30 minutes friends. That is the advantage in the Realme X2 Pro device. So even though it has got the 50 watts charger, but still it's pretty faster. So there is only 200 mAh difference, that's it. Apart from that, there is not major issue. And in terms of the camera, the Realme is advertising the Realme X50 Pro as the super 20x zoom. I'm sure, friends, that 20x zoom that doesn't work that much in a mobile phone, but still it has got a smaller advantage. And this should not be the reason of you are buying this mobile Realme X50 Pro. So maybe the reasons are Snapdragon 865 and the dual mode 5G. These two are the major reasons of you buying the Realme X50 Pro rather than Realme X2 Pro device, because everything is same in both the phones. Even the UFS 3.0 is present in the Realme X2 Pro device, and 90 Hz refresh rate and dual 5G is not supported. That is only drawback, but still only the Snapdragon and the dual mode 5G is advantage in the Realme X50 Pro device. So as you can see, friends, this is a Realme X2 Pro specifications. If you look closely in the memory, here you can find UFS 3.0 is present in the 128 and 256 GB variant. So right now I'm using the 128 variant, and here it's working UFS 3.4, which I did a video on that. If you are interested, you can check the links in description, friends. So that's it, friends. This is a quick comparison between both the phones. I'm not that interested with the front cam, whether it has 32 megapixel or 40 megapixel, it doesn't matter. It's my personal opinion, friends. I'm saying again and again, it changed to one person to other person opinion. So just keeping the price in mind, I would go for the Realme X2 Pro device rather than going for the X50 Pro device, friends, right now, because even the 5G will take maybe 1 year or 2 years to implement completely in all the states and all the cities possible. So by the time you will definitely change the mobile phone, I guess, because nowadays most of the people are changing for every 1 year or 2 years. So that's it for this video, friends. Do not forget to subscribe to my channel. See you in the next video. Until then, stay tuned. Bye.